What's up, everybody? I'm back with another two deals video, and today I got a bunch of deals for you, like literally probably at least 20 to 30. So let's get on. I'm not gonna go through each one, but I'm gonna show y'all where to find them. So first up on Amazon, we have this Xtool OBD2 scanner. This one is not bi-directional, so it can't send signals to the car. But I mean, if you want something like that, you're gonna spend probably at least $400, $430 plus. So this one is not on sale for $239. It's actually $186. You apply this coupon right here, and then I will give you a promo code in the description to get an additional 15% off, bringing it down to $186. This is going to be live for a few days. There you go. I reviewed the Xtool scanners on this channel a while ago, and they're very good. I like them a lot. They're very fast, and they do a whole lot. Some of them even program keys and all that. And it has lifetime updates, which is very important because as time goes on, you get new cars. They add new cars to the unit and new functionality. So you want to look out for that right there. Usually the ones that are commercial, you have to pay. It'll come with like 3 years and then you have to pay. But this one is lifetime updates, lifetime tech support, 2-year warranty, all that good stuff. $186 there. Moving on to tool deals. I don't know why I didn't think about this before, but I have a lot of tools. I have a lot of them that are new, and I've just posted two right now. I do have the Ridgid High Torque. This is the high torque that produces 1,500 foot-pounds and 1,100 foot-pounds of fastening, 1,500 breakaway. There's that big boy here. If you still have octane batteries, it is super perform. But the newer high output batteries are pretty decent as well. Have that for $129. In addition to that, I have a Metabo HPT 6.5-inch cordless circular saw, lifetime warranty, $65 there, and it's free shipping on all this stuff. So check it out. I'll be adding some more tools to the site later on. I'm thinking about having a used section, an open box section, and brand new, but these right here are brand new. Moving on to Tractor Supply, we have quite a few clearance deals right here. So we've seen these things before, but I just wanted to reiterate that they're still out there. Some of them have come back in stock, like this Porter Cable welding helmet, and it's auto darkening, $19.99 in some places. I remember this one in particular was sold out for a while, but now it's back in stock. I encourage you to buy them online. One, you can take advantage of Rakuten. If you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description to sign up. You'll get $30 bonus when you spend $30 in addition to the 2% cash back, but you'll get the 2% cash back at least. And you will also save time. So if they don't really have it in there, they'll send you an email and say, oh, we really didn't have it, because sometimes that happens. If someone takes something back, let's say you buy the last thing at a particular Tractor Supply, and then the price changes, you go back to get a price adjustment, it puts it back in their system for a long time. So it might be a ghost in there. So you want to just buy it online, wait to get the confirmation email to say, come pick it up, and then you go out there to save you guys. Gas is expensive. We also had this Greenworks 60 volt chainsaw kit. For a minute, it was $64.99 at certain places because of they forgot to put the one. But $164.99, which is not bad. It's normally $299. If you go on Amazon, it's close to $300. So you have that there. And this Makita hammer drill is back in certain places. This 1/2-inch Makita hammer drill, 18 volt, was $64.99. Well, a lot of us cleaned them up at that, but now it's $45 in some places. Okay, so check that out as well. Again, use your Rakuten, buy it online, wait to get your confirmation email, and then this one could be shipped out to home. This Makita inflator kit's on sale for $169.99. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. I knew it was small. I didn't even know Makita made 1.5 amp hour batteries, but apparently they do. And that's horrible for an inflator. That just is not going to last long. But hopefully you have some Makita batteries. But $169.99 there. Everywhere else it is indeed $239. I think I saw it like on eBay for $199. Moving on to Acme Tools. DeWalt is having an Independence Day sale. And pretty much all this other stuff, no. But Even this drywall screw gun, this is a little thing, but I mean, we just talked about these last week. You can get a Bosch, which is the one I really like from Lowe's for I don't know, between 129, 139, or 169. I don't remember how much it costs, but it's way cheaper than 229, and it comes with either two 4 amp hour batteries or a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. Much better deal than this. So go to Lowe's and get that if you're looking for a drywall screw gun. But what they do have, which is a pretty decent deal, are these DeWalt 3-tool combo kits: impact driver, drill, and either an oscillating tool or a one-handed reciprocating saw for $239. If we go over here though, yeah, for $239. Some other places have, I think Home Depot has the same bundle, and I think it's $249. So you save $10, and again, you have your Rakuten over here at Acme Tools. Every tell me not to, but it's only 1%. Rakuten is going to be 2% cash back plus that $30 bonus if you're new. Moving on over to Lowe's. Now, I do have this Bosch circular saw too, that I'm selling, but I can't beat this deal. I mean, $99 with two free 4 amp hour batteries or a starter kit, of course. I can't beat that. Buy this from here. They lowered the price. Now you're getting all these extra freebies. Really good circular saw there, 6.5 inch. So there you go. With that, again, don't forget your Rakuten over here at Lowe's and your Retail Me Not. If you've already gotten your Rakuten bonus, that $30 bonus, use Retail Me Not to get 3% cash back. Moving on, we have another Bosch circular saw. It's another 6.5 inch, 184, and it comes with all the either the starter kit or wait, this is just saying the starter kit. That's weird. I don't like that. And this is on a special buy today too, 184 with the starter kit. And you might be asking like, well, why would I get this 6.5 inch over the other one? Well, this is a right-handed circular saw, and this one has the dust port. The other one here is a left-handed circular saw, and this one has a blower, air blower. I didn't see anybody complain about it in the comments, whether it didn't do a good job. I didn't see anyone say it did a great job. Everyone likes the saw. So, I don't know. For me, honestly, the $99, I would probably still rock with this unless you was just Mr. Moneybags and wanted to pay double to get one less battery and have this dust port, which is saying a lot with the dust port. And if you're right-handed, this will be just way more convenient. Moving on, we also have this Bosch reciprocating saw for $99 with the 2 free batteries or the starter kit. You could choose on this one. Now, this is a basic reciprocating saw, though. I think so 1 1/8 inch stroke. The top of the line ones usually are 1 1/4 inch. And, they have things like rafter hooks. This doesn't have that. They'll have orbital functions. This one doesn't have that. They will also have like removable shoes. This one just pivots. This might be removable, but I don't see a button or anything to release it. So it's probably just pivots, but this does have 2 speeds and it has a variable trigger, which some of them don't have speeds. So that's saying something. So not a bad deal there. Coming on over here to Direct Tools, they have a flash sale going. And we're going to wrap it up here at Direct Tools, but there's a lot going on. Up to 75% off on a lot of things like this 40 volt pressure washer that's portable, where you just stick this thing in a bucket of water and it'll work. And it actually comes with the battery and everything. The whole kit, $105. Crazy. This Ryobi brushless drill and impact driver, the whole kit, 2 batteries, $75. Crazy. Then we have this chainsaw, 40 volt chainsaw, $90. Crazy. Inflator, $30. Crazy. Y'all get the picture. Okay, there's a lot of crazy deals going on. This is also not bad. Is this the Whisper one? Cause I just got my Tools Direct blower I got for $60. It was this. Yep, this one right here, and it's the Whisper series. It's really quiet and it's pretty darn powerful too. You just gotta be careful because this part right here sucks in a lot of air to push it out. And this thing always grabbing my clothes. But you pop that battery in there. This is a 4 amp hour battery right there with the trimmer. And it's brushless too. 180 This blower is normally like what, 150, 180 itself, tool only, but you get all this other stuff, 180. Great deal there, and it's a really good blower. But I got mine from Tools Direct. It came with, or from eBay, I got it for $60. It came with two 4-hour batteries. That rapid fast charger, it charged those batteries in like, I ain't gonna lie, like 30 minutes or something. It was fast as I don't know what. Yeah, and everything was in there. It was brand new. I haven't had any issues with Tools Direct except for them canceling my fan order or blocking me or something. All right, moving on, we have this Ryobi propane heater for $70. All right, so I've talked a lot about this vacuum. I like it, but you know, the one that's on super sale at Home Depot that you can have for $99 is a single roller. You can buy the dual roller head right here for $40 and $140. You could be in there with the dual roller and still have the single roller as a backup, or sell that. Do what you want to do with that. This Ryobi fan, this Whisper fan, I like a lot. $25. Just remember, with Direct Tools, you're gonna have, look at this right angle drill with the dual clutch and this brushes. This is actually one of the best ones on the market. $54. You're gonna have $15 in shipping though, so keep that in mind. The air cannon, I heard this was disappointing though, but $70 there. Here's a 40 volt though, 40 volt, and this is $75. Is the one obviously I would spring for. So there's a lot of deals going on here. And here's that power cleaner again. If you didn't want the battery, $75, but just please pay the extra $30 for that 4-hour battery. So a lot going on. Enjoy yourself here. Unfortunately, there's no rackets and anything like that, but hey, these are some really sweet deals. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time. Buy some tools.